Hello everyone, welcome to BCCA. This is CMA Parati, a mentor for cost and management audit. Yes, I'm very happy for the responses and reviews which I'm receiving from the students who have written the exam today. And yes, I'm in front of the cost and management audit December 2024 attempt paper, and I'm not going to discuss the answers or the solutions now, but yes, if you have seen my marathon videos, if you have gone through with the MCQs booklet which I have given you, if you have gone through with the super 50 sheet and the top 20 practical questions which I have given to you, then this paper would be very easy for you to solve. All the MCQs, all the 10 MCQs are straight out of from our MCQs booklet, and last 5 practical question MCQ is also from the top 20 practical questions video which I have discussed. If you have understood the concept there, then you would have been able to solve the last 5 MCQs also very easily. So 30 marks of MCQs are very easy and straight out of from our book. And the practical questions in section B are also from our workbook, which I'm very happy to say that. And in those also, two questions are straight out from the top 20 practical questions video which I have discussed. Yes, practical questions also are very easy. Coming to the descriptive questions which are in the question paper are from Super 50 sheet and the marathon videos which I have given to you. So yes, if you are following the marathon videos, Super 50 sheet, MCQs booklet, then you will be easily able to solve any question paper. This turned out to be true for the law paper also, for which you have seen the review of Bhavya ma'am, and that turned out to be very much true for cost and management audit also. So I can surely say that if you are going through the marathon videos, Super 50 sheet and the MCQs which are given by the BCCE, then you will be able to solve the upcoming examinations also without any hurdles. So yes, whatever your paper would have been, so today paper just leave it out. If it is very good, then with the same positive vibes, with the same energy, go on and start your preparation for the next subjects. But if it is not that good also, just leave it out. Gone is gone, done is done. So you're not going to change if you're discussing it right now. Focus on the next subject's preparation, hoping that this will be a last attempt where you see the taste of success for the cost and management accountancy. You are future CMEs. So yes, all the very best for the upcoming examinations, hoping that everything goes well. All the best. Thank you.